And let's see now the syntax for the while loop in C#. Simply again, using the keyword while, and inside the parentheses, I have to set my condition, just a condition, without initial value, without increment or decrement. And while this condition is satisfied, the compiler will keep executing this code. So after the parentheses, I have to open and close the curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets, I can write the code here. And it's important to mention that in for loop, the compiler will check first the condition, and then if it is satisfied, the code will be executed. And same in while loop, the compiler will check this condition. If it is satisfied, so the compiler will execute the code. We have the third loop, which is the do while. Do while is similar to the while loop, but with a small difference. Let's first explain the syntax. The syntax is using the keyword do and then open the curly brackets and close the curly brackets and write your implementation inside the curly brackets. And after the curly brackets, we need to use the while keyword with a condition. The difference here, the compiler will first implement or execute this code and then check the condition. So at the first step, the compiler will execute whatever written here and then will check the condition. So if the condition is false always, for instance, so the compiler will execute this and then will find the condition false, and the compiler then will finish the do while loop here. Now let's go back to the Visual Studio to understand how we can write and use the loops in C#.